Some cars are fast, some cars are luxurious, but the cars on this list are built to last hundreds of thousands of miles. And today's vehicle is especially interesting because it challenges the traditional idea of reliability. Instead of a gasoline engine with hundreds of moving parts, this car uses electric motors and a battery system designed to run for years with minimal maintenance. Today, we're talking about one of the most discussed cars in the modern automotive world, the 2026 Tesla Model 3. Is it actually reliable long-term? And why are so many owners keeping them for years? Let's find out. Why reliability matters. When most people buy a car, they look at things like horsepower, technology, and styling. But the smartest buyers think about something else first: long-term reliability. Because a car that looks great on day one isn't necessarily a car that will still feel dependable 5 or 10 years later. A reliable vehicle saves you money on repairs, avoids unexpected breakdowns, and usually holds its value better when it's time to sell. That's why certain models build strong reputations over time, cars people trust to commute daily, take on road trips, and drive well past 200,000 miles. And in the EV world, one car keeps appearing in reliability conversations: the Tesla Model 3. 2026 Tesla Model 3. The Tesla Model 3 has quickly become one of the most widely owned electric cars in the world, and while electric vehicles are still relatively new compared to traditional gasoline cars, the Model 3 has already built a reputation for long-term durability in several key areas. Let's break down why. Electric motor reliability. One of the biggest advantages of the Model 3 is its electric drivetrain. Unlike gasoline engines, which contain hundreds of moving parts, pistons, valves, timing chains, fuel systems, electric motors are much simpler. In fact, Tesla's electric motors have very few moving components. That means fewer parts that can wear out over time. Many early Tesla owners have already reported over 200,000 miles with minimal drivetrain issues. And because electric motors don't deal with oil combustion, heat cycles, or complex mechanical timing, they tend to experience less long-term stress than traditional engines. For daily drivers, that simplicity can translate into excellent reliability. Battery durability. Another major question people ask about EVs is battery longevity, and Tesla has been working on this longer than almost any other EV manufacturer. Real-world data from older Model 3 vehicles shows that Tesla batteries often retain around 80–90% of their capacity even after high mileage. That means the range reduction over time is usually gradual and manageable. Tesla's battery thermal management system, which regulates temperature during charging and driving, also plays a big role in extending battery life. While battery replacement can be expensive, most owners never need it during normal ownership, and the battery warranty provides additional peace of mind. Maintenance reputation. One of the biggest reliability advantages of electric vehicles is low maintenance requirements. With the Model 3, there are no oil changes, no spark plugs, no fuel injectors, and no traditional transmission service. Instead, routine maintenance is relatively simple. Typical maintenance items include tire rotations, cabin air filters, brake fluid checks, and occasional brake servicing. Even brake wear tends to be lower because the Model 3 uses regenerative braking, which slows the car using the electric motor instead of relying entirely on brake pads. For many owners, this results in significantly lower maintenance costs compared to gasoline cars. Software and technology. Tesla vehicles are also unique because they receive over-the-air software updates. That means the car can gain new features, improvements, and performance adjustments without visiting a dealership. In some cases, updates have even improved battery efficiency or added new driver assistance features. However, this technology-heavy approach also means that some owners experience occasional software bugs or minor glitches. But overall, Tesla's software ecosystem continues to evolve, and many drivers appreciate the constant improvements. Resale value. Reliability also plays a big role in resale value, and the Tesla Model 3 has historically performed well in this area. Because demand for EVs continues to grow, used Model 3 vehicles often remain highly desirable in the second-hand market. Several factors contribute to this strong resale value: strong brand recognition, high demand for used EVs, lower maintenance reputation, and long battery warranty. Compared to many traditional sedans, the Model 3 often retains a larger percentage of its original value after several years of ownership. That's an important factor for buyers thinking long-term. Real owner experiences. Owner feedback is one of the most interesting aspects of the Model 3 story. Many drivers report extremely positive ownership experiences. Owners frequently mention smooth and quiet driving, very quick acceleration, minimal routine maintenance, and convenient home charging. Some owners even say the Model 3 is the lowest maintenance car they've ever owned. Of course, like any vehicle, experiences can vary. Some drivers have reported issues such as early production build quality concerns, minor interior wear, and occasional software glitches. But Tesla has steadily improved manufacturing quality over time, especially with newer production models. Why cars like this last so long? When you look at vehicles that develop strong reliability reputations, they usually share several important traits, and the Tesla Model 3 checks many of these boxes. First, simple engineering. Electric drivetrains are mechanically simpler than traditional internal combustion engines. Fewer moving parts means fewer potential failure points. Second, proven technology. Tesla has been refining its electric drivetrain and battery systems for years. That experience helps improve durability with each generation. Third, efficient thermal management. Keeping batteries and electronics at stable temperatures is essential for long-term reliability. Tesla's cooling systems play a big role here. And finally, continuous improvement through software updates. Unlike traditional cars, the Model 3 can evolve over time with new updates and improvements. This allows Tesla to fix issues and enhance performance even after the car has been delivered to customers. If you're considering the 2026 Tesla Model 3, reliability is definitely one of its strongest selling points. But like any vehicle purchase, there are a few smart things buyers should keep in mind. First, consider how you plan to charge the car. Home charging makes EV ownership far more convenient. Second, research the battery warranty and expected range degradation so you know what to expect long-term. Third, always look at real owner reviews and long-term reliability data when available. And finally, remember that reliability isn't just about the car, it's also about how you maintain it. Regular tire care, software updates, and responsible charging habits all contribute to a longer-lasting vehicle. The 2026 Tesla Model 3 represents a major shift in how we think about reliable transportation. Instead of relying on complex engines and transmissions, it focuses on simple electric power, fewer moving parts, and constant technological improvement. For many drivers, that combination has already proven to be incredibly dependable. And as electric vehicle technology continues to mature, cars like the Model 3 may become some of the most reliable vehicles on the road. So the real question is, would you trust an EV like the Model 3 for the next 200,000 miles? Let me know what you think.